Guys, it's Knives and Guns, and today we're going to do a review on the Leatherman Charge DTI. Comes in a great sheath, full leather. Yeah, the belt, you can put your belt through there. You can go scout style and put it through there. And on the exterior of my sheath, I've got the LED Lenser P3. Great little torch. Really good. Opening up the sheath, I've got the multi-tool and the bit kit. And this is another reason I chose Leatherman. It's a great sheath. That just clips inside there. On the exterior of the multi-tool, you've got the serrated blade, and you can tell it's serrated because of the jimping on the top. Great. It's got the gut hook, paracord. And then you've got the saw. Really good saw. I prefer it to the Victorinox saws. It's thinner, I like it. And once again everything locks, so it's a liner lock. I can tell that this is going to be the serrated because it's got no jumping on top. And that's got jumping, so that's serrated and straight edge. So this is the straight edge blade. So it's S30V. You can see on top. Love S30V. Really sharp, right? Just popping hairs. And then you've got the file. It's a diamond file, saw, normal file, a metal saw. You've got the pocket clip, great pocket clip, deep carry, and it can come out, so you don't need the pocket clip, or you can just put it back in. I like it in because it makes it secure on my sheath. There you go. Opening up the multi-tool, got stamped in there Leatherman, pliers, and then there's soft wire cutters, and then where that little arrow is that's hard wire cutters. Then you've got needle nose pliers, really fine. You can pull hairs out, guys. And then inside you've got the bit where the bit tools go. So they just go inside there. Really good. And everything in the inside locks as well. So you've got to push that and that. See, you can push it in. And then you've got a can opener. There. There's the can opener. I prefer the Victorinox can openers, but this has also got a wire stripper right there, so that's quite nice. And on the other side, it's got a ruler there as well. See, there's a ruler, metric and imperial. On the other side, you've got, they call it a flathead screwdriver, but it's more of a paint can opener. See, it's not, it's like, but it's good anyway. You've got a eyeglass screwdriver. You can switch it around as well. Quite tight. And you've got the scissors. These are great scissors. They just got a little place for your thumb. There. Got some oil on it. I always oil this. everything locks. So that's the Leatherman Charge TTI. Oh, these are the 2013 scales. Much nicer, in my opinion. It's titanium. So, yeah.